Hey guys, it's not me.
It's not me.
I'm still awake. I'm just saying. Last week was me. This week it's him. And I'm just gonna say, last night he tried blaming my wife. Wrong answer. Cause she's still awake. I'm still awake. Hey, Bobbit. 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 See, there he is. Drew. 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 Cheese.
He's gone.
My balls, your chin. Hashtag what the fuck is going on right now? Hashtag sexy time?
Sure.
Still have nothing, people. His wife is gonna fucking hate me. I'm never gonna be allowed to the house. I'm just saying. Tara, I am so fucking sorry that you have to listen to this shit. I know I snore. Sounds like...
It sounds like those old vegetables.
It sounds like a fucking NASCAR fucking race. And he's winning.
Okay, we gotta have the sleeping beauty over here.
I'm working on it, Bobbit. Shut up. I can't put him on camera. I'm on camera listening to his ass fucking snore right now. I'm recording this. Don't ever blame my wife for anything ever again. You cunt. Oh, really? Alright. Do you want me to carry on a conversation with the snoring? Because that would be awesome. I'm going to do it. Oh, no shit. Get out of here. Your dog did what? My balls, your chin. That's not cool, dude. The chainsaw's not working. Hey, Drew. Hey, Drew. Let me get a word in edgewise. Alright, man. Shit. What the fuck ever. Just continue. My dog is sleeping through this. I'm just throwing this out there.
Oh, God.
This is gonna go viral. I can see it now.
The Snoring Ceeseman.
That's what I'm gonna name this fucking. This is what I'm gonna name it. The Snoring Cheese Pants. I will end this at 10 minutes, so. I'm sure you will.
Fucking Christ.
Uh-oh. If only I would have waited another half an hour to 45 minutes, we could have gotten fucking gold. I love Drew. I really honestly do, but are you kidding me? How can you not?
That's the wonderful thing about this family. We pick on each other. We love each other.
I think he'll be alright in the morning.
I hope so. I hope he took 2 before he went to sleep.
We still have another 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Hey, Bob, what do you think of this so far? Let's analyze this.
Well, Justin from the store, and he's in a deep sleep right now.
Is that a hint of deviated septum language?
It might be. Let's go down to the sidelines.
Well, he fell asleep here, here, and here.
I think we're going to have to put him on the injured reserve list. He's questionable for a return. I just got word he is out for the rest of the game.
That poor Newton.
Well, he just missed playoffs.
And his Super Bowl career is done.
Oh. Oh. We still have 2 minutes to go. I thought he would wake up after that. Apparently not. He doesn't have sleep apnea, people. I'm just going to throw that out there right now.
I feel like one of those
For the love
people
of
that-
God. No, watch
that
this
doesn't sleep
motherfucker
studies.
dies on the fucking stream. Because
I feel like one of those sleep people, you know, that studies.
we still have 1 minute and 8 seconds to go. Fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna let this run for 5 more fucking minutes. I don't care. I lied, people. We have 6 minutes or 5 minutes and 3 seconds to go.
Oh, fucking Christ.
No, I lied again. We are now at 9 minutes and 20 seconds, and he hasn't told us one. 5 minutes 30. 5 minutes 30 seconds. Make fun of me, motherfucker. That's all I'm saying. Officially, we have 5 minutes till New Year's. I thought he'd wake up after that. Damn! Close.
After that, I'm never making fun of you ever again for falling asleep on Skype TV.
That is what I'm talking about. He's people. He's trying to say something. Shh. Four minutes or 3 minutes.
I think he's trying to say Gator balls.
Gator literally had his eyes open all the time when he was doing it.
How can his poor wife sleep through this?
Hey,
That's why I said, oh, poor Tara.
taking off his imminent, people. If you want to win a war against North Korea, this is how you do it right here. Kim Jong-un will not know what hit him.
No.
Just saying. See what I mean? I feel like I'm at a motocross right now. And that motherfucker is like...
He's in the lead.
Is in the lead by like fucking turbo.
He's lapping everybody.
Like 20 times. And there's only 5 laps. And this motherfucker made fun of me when I was snoring. And I love Drew. I really honestly do. Paybacks are a bitch, motherfucker. Paybacks are a bitch.
He sounds like a bakery. Yeah, Christ.
I'm gonna do a dance here. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Just saying. You can't beat the master. That's this guy. 10 seconds. I don't know why you gotta be mad at me. You want me to go for another 5 minutes? Because I will. Alright, fuck it. We'll go for another 5. I don't care. You can't tell me this is not funny, people.
That's fucking hilarious.
keep going until people say, okay, that's enough now. Oh, I'm posting this shit.
Oh, you better.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I have to. This is gold.
Don't fall asleep on me, Heather. Heather, don't fall asleep. Are you watching what I'm doing? You'll see in the video tomorrow. I did it for like 4 fucking times. I can't hear you.
Huh?
What are you trying to say? Shh. What are you trying to say?
I didn't say anything.
I know you didn't. What? Doggy say what? Kill my landlord. Kill my landlord. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
Oh, I think you fell back to sleep. I'm sure you did.
It sounds like he's fucking a frog.
I literally almost pissed my pants. I'm not shitting you right now. I broke my chair because I'm laughing so fucking hard right now. I don't know what the fuck is going on right now. I don't know if I should call 911. Oh shit. Yes. I'm sorry. Oh shit. Is he underwater? Alright, I love you guys with all my heart. If you didn't enjoy that, I don't know what else we can do. I really don't. I love you guys with all my heart. I think I'm gonna piss my pants now.